Hi everyone! So finally, all my canvases that I varnished the other day, they are fully dry. And this is the acrylic purse wipe I made a few weeks ago and inspired by artist Sandra Lett. She's a very good and a very kind artist. So I love watching every artist and learn something from them. So look at the flowers. The cells. This is the garden. And I call this the garden of flowers. So I put 3 coats of Liquitex High Gloss Varnish in every canvas to make it look nice and shiny. I usually do acrylic painting and more on landscape, silhouette. But because I love painting, I love art, and I love learning, I discovered that I can do a pour painting also. And there's a lot of artists in YouTube that very generous and kind, that they are willing to help and give suggestion and tips, like Miss Sandra and Miss Christina Welch, and some of the artists that doing live. So it's fun to paint, it's fun to learn something new, and I hope you enjoy watching my channel also, guys. And thank you so much to all the artists that's very generous to give techniques and share their knowledge to others, especially to new in pour paintings. We appreciate all your love. We appreciate everyone's help and support. Have a blessed day, everyone.